Hello all. Through this very short video, we'll try to help you figure out how you should go about answering your strengths and weaknesses statement or question when asked in a B-School interview about tell us about your strengths and weaknesses. To be honest, there are a lot of sources that are available online that will tell you how to go about this question. While many of those sources will also say that when asked about your strengths, tell about those positive points that you can illustrate. While asked about your weaknesses, do not really expose your weaknesses. Instead, tell about a strength in disguise when you're talking about your weaknesses. Wait a minute. Is there not a small flaw in this? If you do not have any weaknesses at all, that means that you are a very perfect human being. You are flawless, you are awesome in that sense. But please understand, the interviewer knows that there is no one really who is perfect or awesome. A strength for someone may not be a strength for someone else. A strength for someone may be a weakness for someone else. Now, how do you go about it? My bet, if you are honest in the interview, if you really accept what your particular weakness is, and you are showing that you are a progressive individual working towards overcoming that particular weakness, you will be valued more above any other candidate who is trying to fake their weakness, his or her weakness, as a strength in disguise. For example, there are a lot of people who say that yeah, I am someone who gets into micro details, micromanagement kind of things. But while having an eye for keeping an eye open for detail is a positive thing. Okay, boss, you are talking about your weakness. क्या जाता है? Just accept your weakness. Accept that what is it that is not probably very good about you, and also show that what are the steps that you are taking to overcome that particular weakness, right? You may be short tempered, you may be someone who takes decisions on your own. That may be strengths in someone else's mind. But whatever is a weakness according to you, please be honest and accept that. The second part is, now that I know that I have to accept my strengths or weaknesses, where do I get the answers for these? Where do I get the strengths from? Where do I get the weaknesses from? The best sources are your best friends, close friends, people who are close to you, your parents, your siblings. Ask them ask them, Amma, what are my weaknesses, what are my strengths? Or my friend Rahul, hi Rahul, what is one weakness you find in Raviteja? Gather your weaknesses, gather your strengths from by asking from different friends. Try to get answers from 1 2 3 people, and then think about which is one weakness that you would want to point out, or which are the two weaknesses that you would want to point out, and the weaknesses essentially on which about which you are trying to take some steps, some corrective measures to become a better individual, and you'll be good to go to answer this question. Thank you.